Hi everybody, my name is Giancarlo Russo. I am from Rome, Italy, and I am a physiotherapist specialized in the disorder of the musculoskeletal system. My original background evolved from VOITA pediatric neurorehabilitation until I met Professor Karel Levitt in Prague, who was my mentor for several years. I am here in Prague to present a course who I like to give the name of the professor who was very important to me. That's why I call it Karel Levitt Functional Approach. The message that Professor Levitt gave me was during one of our conversations that he has no dogma but one. The only dogma he has is that all the pieces of the body are somehow interrelate each other and they can communicate each other. What does it mean? It means that in assessing our patients, we shouldn't limit our assessment to find the structure that suffer. That's why one of his most famous quotes was, "He who treats the site of the pain is lost, and so is his patients." But we should assess especially all the body of our patients. We should find a way to clear all the pathogenetic chain that we can find into our patients, and not to have only the pain as the guide, but to have an holistic principle to drive us. Which is this holistic principle? Is, as I said before, that all the pieces of the body are somehow interrelated each other, and that's why, for example, a dysfunction on the foot can reflect itself into the neck. So our patients can have, for example, a neck pain, but the real cause is a dysfunction in the foot. So until we don't identify the key link of the dysfunction, probably all the therapy we're going to do will fail. That's why it's not difficult, and we see quite often patients that they're under therapy since many times. They see so many physios, so many other specialists in this field, but they still suffer because probably they didn't address all the assessment in this holistic principle. I am proud to have been close to a person like was Professor Levitt, that in my opinion he was a genius, and this man worked for more than 70 years. He died last year in 98 years old after 70 years in musculoskeletal disorder field. He was an example for all of us. He was one of the best clinicians I ever met in my life, and that's why I dedicate all my researches in his name, and I'm trying to evolve my system, evolving from his basis. Being in Korea is a big experience for me. I am from Italy, I'm from a Western country, and to be in the Eastern country is a big emotion. But I have to say something. I can compare, under center point of view, Koreans to Italians. I find these Korean students very interested, very passionate in what they do, and I find this little parallel between Italians and Koreans. So now, what I can say, I am happy being here. I hope to come back soon, and I hope to develop this kind of approach also in Korea. And I want Korean physiotherapists to grow up under this special philosophy that was very important to me. Thank you very much for inviting me. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.